Rat. Fire poppin', shit dropping, throwing the bees up like the birds in the sky. Nigga, get your beat up with them bullets in your brain. So much killers hop out the truck with them burning choppers. Niggas already know it's the pistol, the East Coast champion of the block. Been reppin' that red since I was like 18, nigga. And they thought that I took a drop, cause I got that young nigga. I'm that mob nigga. You already know we stand on the top, yo. Right up on the ceiling. Just a couple of niggas throwing seeds up. Get you killed, man. Fuck around, young. Get your beat up. Throwing bees up. Fuck around, nigga. Take you up on the block, boy. What you saying, nigga? We ain't fucking around. Put them burners on the shelf. You already know we take them out, nigga. Burn your brain, son. With them hollow shells, nigga. Seeing their body start to smell. Or you see the tear drop. Well, baddies gotta drop. Come on, y'all, that fuck around with crap niggas. You already know, passing the crops. Come on, yo, with more baddie pots. I got a chop. Niggas already know my squad. Come around praising me like I'm the bloody god. Nigga playing bloody cops. Niggas on these niggas that I'm dealing with. You come around, crap niggas, whatever you fucking with. They just like some seafood. Put a scissor in the salt. You already know like some season with the bullets about to get you young. Caught it like a sword, charge bus of murder. You know I'm about to kill him quick, boy. About to burn him, boy. We ain't fucking around here. Blood all day. Niggas come around, nigga. What the fuck you mean? Yeah, fuck you pistol. Yeah, you talking about fire poppin'. You crab little nigga, you towards crib nigga be choppin'. Them little slob ass niggas on the table. Batty pots, yeah, we catching shit, son. You ain't able. You already know you in an electric chair, you feel that cable. And then we put the game wild wise, nigga. You already know the shit you out. Yeah, young blood on fire, come around, son. Little slob niggas get chopping you up, nigga. Hold up, niggas ain't none. We never see you drippin'. That the same club that you reppin', boy. Fuck around, yeah, we doing our dance, so it's creepin', yo, dance on the floor. Come on, young, like a cripple walk. Yeah, you cripple, boy. You ever know that shit you talk? Little nigga, hold up, handicap in the dark. Motherfucker, you ain't smart. Sweet talk, little pencil talking about use a nightmare. Little nigga with the tattoo that you got on your eye, kid, you ain't no gangster. Little nigga catch you ass slipping, yeah, you from me Elkridge with them wings, you ever know it weird niggas banging, son. Yo, we one coming around with choppers like them helicopters of the sky, ready to surprise your ass when you open your eyes with the mini guns we blasting in your blood, then we splashing in the on the dirt. God want to save your ass, nigga. You already know you came back to life, yeah, with the nurse, nigga come around save you now, nigga come around, dog. Crip niggas here with dog, now we slaving you. Yeah, you our slave food. Come on, dog. What you saying now? Little pistol, you's a bitch, nigga. You ain't no killer clown. Bitch, nigga talking, little crab motherfuckers, yeah, little niggas, yeah, I see y'all limping and you walking, young, at the same time, trying to clown a boy, nigga, I do this shit, nah, just be around, but them 2 9s that I curry, young, you already know that's gonna move around this berry, son, you fucking blueberry chumps, niggas fuck around, yeah, red little nigga, we burn the flame up, niggas on the niggas in the game, you already know ain't no game to us, yeah, we gangsters, niggas, yo, we game banger monsters, son, mafia. You see that shit, nigga, what I'm talking about? I'm a monster from the blood life. When I was young, nigga, a crap niggas like you try to shake me up. Alright, come on, dog. Then once I got touched with that knife, came back to his life. Come on, young dog, nigga, I got your clown back and down right. Come on, son, get your game right, get your game tight. Steady got the strap. They hope you aim, have your aim right. For my brain, young, yeah, you banging all night, motherfucker. You don't know it's like a phantom of opera, nigga, a phantom of the death knocking it, son. You already know, son. I come around, got an operator on you, son, like a doctor. Come on, son. I'm the evil young nigga chopping bodies up. Call it surgery. Come on, son, some massacre when I get the game done. Then the son, yeah, young, get the searching for me. Yeah, this the police. They come around the hood trying to get the investigation. They're on the boy pistol, cause you know when they come close to me, they need a vest on their whole flesh. Come on, done, just to chase me down. Come on, dog, and fuck that nigga. I don't play no games. Little crap clown, I'm a dog, yeah. I'm that killer nigga, yeah. That will kill you with all types of rounds. Better recognize the game on lie. Little crip nigga, drop your baddie, John. Let you know how I do around the game. Nigga, hold up with your son, nigga, blood flame. You already know, nigga, catch me in my area. Me and my niggas at the project, John, got them burning, son. This to tell your ass on up, you and your whole crew. The niggas they rapping 6, but we rapping 5, nigga. Yeah, across the bloodline bricks. Come on, dog, Chris the criminal line, nigga. That's your ass, boy. Full clip on each of your game, nigga. The game members still know. Put the things to your temple, nigga. That's his last thing you gonna see. Last thing you gonna feel is the flame from the burners that I bang the ammunition with your name on it, motherfucker. We ain't homies. I'm a dog, but I believe in you, dead nigga. Brat, dead. Tell you, John, I'm not round lonely, nigga. Hold up on the game. Now deep, motherfucker. Yeah, John, get the flame, bitch. Come and get me, young crab nigga on the mic. Bust a blood pistol, John. Yeah, this is what they hate, but this what I like. I don't give a fuck. This is what it is, little crab nigga, like a crab cake. Little lobster motherfucker, give me a piece of that, young. Got the crab against the bitch legs. Come on, son, slice a whole body like some raw steak, like you motherfucker, bitch niggas. All our niggas in that same blue outfit. Y'all niggas son around, son. Hey, what you gonna do, nigga? I'm always out here waiting for a motherfucker to cross me. They coming around, son. Blue boy, you come around this game. Yeah, dog, that's just what it's about to cost. You about to see with that penalty. Nigga, you bitch ass nigga about to see the death. Finally, nigga, if I'm being friendly, I ain't talking all that niceness. And little niggas hold up. Man, you coming across me, you better have a fucking license. And you already know, son, that's the only way you gonna get a pass, son, for your life. You see us how it's game and spin. Doing that cause I'm violent. I love balance. You better recognize, you hear them sounds. It's sirens. They coming after me cause I already know, yo. About to make a crab nigga bleed. Rapping same like this. Motherfucker, come on, dog, take a pic. Crab nigga, hold up. Fucking crab niggas throwing your seeds. I'm throwing up bees every time I speak. That's whatever. Mob life, nigga, get it together, motherfucker. Mob life, motherfucker.